This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video. Someone recently asked that they recently installed an SSL certificate onto their site and they were using Squarespace, but this would actually apply for any site or CMS that you're using. They recently installed an SSL certificate, but it says processing and it hasn't gone through yet. Well, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use in order to check the status of your SSL certificate, make sure it's still working properly. Maybe you just install it and you want to see if it is working yet. So what I use is something called digicert.com /help and this is kind of it's an SSL installation diagnostics tool. It checks your SSL certificate to locate any problems it might have, and it also checks, to make sure everything's going well. Its expiration date, making sure it's matching the name, etc. So I'm just going to show you how it works. I'm just going to enter my domain name right here, and then I'm going to hit check for common vulnerabilities and just hit check server. And here you can see that all my stuff is coming up good. And this is what you want to see. If there's anything that's marked wrong, then you need to do a little bit more investigation to see what's going on with your SSL certificate. It actually might say if it's processing, it'll say that it's not installed yet. You might just have to wait. It can take a little time for an SSL certificate to be recognized on your server, especially if there's caching involved. But as you can see, my DNS resolved properly. My SSL certificate is installed properly. It's not revoked. The expiration date is still within, it's still good. And my name matches my domain name. And it is also correctly installed. So if it comes to where it says processing and you have one of these to say it says it's not correctly installed, you can look into it and investigate it further. You can also contact most of your hosting, whoever you're using for hosting, and contact their support, and they can also help you with that as well. It can kind of depend on if you're using a paid SSL certificate or you're using a free SSL certificate like I'm using called Let's Encrypt. I also get this for free through my hosting provider, so you can definitely check with them to make sure everything's going well, and they can advise you further if you're having any issues with your SSL certificate. Okay, I hope that helps you guys. I will leave this link in the comment section so you have easy access to it. Hope you guys have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.